Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students of class first year, Assalamu alaikum. Today we have Unit 1 Complex Numbers, where exercise 1.1, question number 8, part 1st. Now for question number 8 is, we have to express the following in the form of a plus iota b. Here we have three parts. Part number first. 1 minus 2 iota divided by 2 plus iota plus 4 minus iota divided by 3 plus 2 iota. Taking LCM, LCM is 2 plus iota into 3 plus 2 iota. Multiplying 1 minus 2 iota with 3 plus 2 iota and 4 minus iota with 2 plus iota. First multiplying 1 with 3 plus 2 iota, we have 3 plus 2 iota. Then multiplying minus 2 iota with 3 plus 2 iota, we have minus 6 iota minus 4 iota square. Next, plus multiplying 4 with 2 plus iota, we have 8 plus 4 iota. Multiplying minus 4 iota with 2 plus iota, we have minus 2 iota minus iota square. Similarly for denominator, first multiplying 2 with 3 plus 2 iota, we have 6 plus 4 iota. Multiplying iota with 3 plus 2 iota, we have 3 iota plus 2 iota square. Now for iota square, putting minus 1. As we know that value of iota square is minus 1. So we have 3. 2 iota minus 6 iota gives minus 4 iota. Iota square minus 1. 8. 4 iota minus 2 iota gives 2 iota. Iota square minus 1. For denominator 6. 4 plus 4 iota plus 3 iota, 7 iota plus 2 iota square minus 1. 3 minus 4 iota plus 4 minus minus plus 4 plus 8 plus 2 iota plus 1. For denominator 6 plus 7 iota plus minus minus 2. So, finally, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 1, 16. Means adding all real numbers together. We have 16. And imaginary minus 4 iota plus 2 iota gives minus 2 iota. For denominator, 6 minus 2, 4 and plus 7 iota. Now, for the required result, we will rationalize this complex number in the form of division. So multiplying and dividing by the conjugate of this denominator complex number, whose conjugate is 4 minus 7 iota. So multiplying and dividing by conjugate of 4 plus 7 iota, that is 4 minus 7 iota. Multiplying numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, we have first 16 with 4 minus 7 iota, we have 64 minus 1, 12 iota. Then multiplying minus 2 iota with 4 minus 7 iota, we have minus 8 iota plus 14 iota square. And for denominator, we have a plus b into a minus b formula, which is equals to a square minus b square. Here 4 plus 7 iota into 4 minus 7 iota equals to 4 square minus 7 iota square. Now 64 minus 1, 12 iota minus 8 iota becomes minus 1, 20 iota. Here putting iota square equals to minus 1, we have 14 into minus 1. For denominators, 4 square 16, 7 iota square, 49 iota square. Again writing iota square minus 1. And for numerator, we have 64 minus 120 iota plus minus minus 14. For denominator 16 minus 49 minus 1. 64 minus 14, 50 minus 120 iota. For denominator minus minus plus, 16 plus 49 gives 65. Now dividing 65 separately with 50 and minus 120 iota. We have 50 by 65 minus 120 iota by 65. After cancellation, we have 10 by 13 minus 24 by 13 iota, which is the required form a plus iota b. Now part second of question number 8. 2 plus square root minus 9 whole divided by minus 5 minus square root of minus 16. We will write 2 plus taking minus 1 square root separate and square root 9 separate. Minus 5 minus, similarly we can write minus 1 square root into square root 16, which is equals to 2 plus. Now as we know that value of square root minus 1 is iota and the value of square root 9 is 3. Similarly for our denominator minus 5 minus the value of square root minus 1 is iota, square root 16 4. Now for required form a plus iota b, we will multiplying and dividing by the conjugate of minus 5 minus iota 4, whose conjugate is minus 5 plus iota 4. First multiplying 2 with minus 5 plus iota 4, we have minus 10 plus 8 iota. Then multiplying iota 3 with minus 5 plus iota 4, we have minus 15 iota plus iota square 12. For denominator we have minus 5 minus iota 4 into minus 5 plus iota 4, which is the formula a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. Here minus 5 whole square minus iota 4 whole square. So it will becomes now minus 10, 8 iota minus 15 iota minus 7 iota, iota square minus 1 minus 12, minus 5 whole square 25, iota square 4 square 16, which gives minus 10 minus 12 minus 22 minus 7 iota. For denominator 25, iota square minus 1, so 25 plus 16. We have minus 22 minus 7 iota whole divided by 25 plus 16 41. Dividing separately with minus 22 and minus 7 iota, we have minus 22 by 14 minus 7 iota by 14, which is of the form a plus iota b. Now my dear students, part third is 1 plus iota whole square whole divided by 4 plus 3 iota. I am leaving this part for you because you can do it easily. Hint is, first you have to solve this numerator by using a plus b whole square. Then you will get a simple complex number. After it, you have to multiplying and dividing by the conjugate of 4 plus 3 iota. Then you will get the required form a plus iota b. Now question number 9 of exercise 1.1 is find the conjugate of 3 minus 2 iota into 2 plus 3 iota whole divided by 1 plus 2 iota into 2 minus iota. Let z is equals to this given ratio, 3 minus 2 iota into 2 plus 3 iota divided by 1 plus 2 iota into 2 minus iota. Then we have to find conjugate, so z bar is question mark. Now to simplify this z, multiplying 3 with 2 plus 3 iota, we have 6 plus 9 iota. Then multiplying minus 2 iota with 2 plus 3 iota, we have minus 4 iota minus 6 iota square. And for denominator 1 plus 2 iota into 2 minus iota, multiplying 1 with 2 minus iota, we have 2 minus iota. And multiplying 2 iota with 2 minus iota, we have 4 iota minus 2 iota square. Here putting iota square minus 1. So we have 6, 9 minus 4, 5 iota minus 1, 2, 4 iota minus iota, 3 iota, iota square minus 1. So minus minus plus 6 plus 6, 12 plus 5 iota. Minus minus plus 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3 iota. Now to simplify it further, multiplying and dividing by the conjugate of 4 plus 3 iota, which is 4 minus 3 iota. So multiplying 12 with 4 minus 3 iota, we have 48 minus 36 iota. Multiplying 5 iota with 4 minus 3 iota, we have 20 iota minus 15 iota square. For denominator, we have a plus b into a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. So here we have 4 square minus 3 iota square. Now numerator becomes, after simplification, 48 minus 36 plus 20 minus 16. Iota square minus 1, so minus minus plus 15. And for denominator, 4 square 16, 3 iota square, 9 iota square, where iota square is minus 1, so minus minus plus again 9. 48 plus 15 gives 63 minus 16 iota, and here 16 plus 9 gives 25. Dividing separately with 63 and minus 16 iota, we have z is equals to 63 by 25 minus 16 by 25 iota. Now we have to find its conjugate, so z bar is equals to 63 by 25 and changing the sign of imaginary part plus 16 by 25 iota, which is required answer of given question.